Hey guys, what is up? Good morning. This is our second day in Coorg, and so this morning we did not really have any plans. So I thought that why not just go out and explore Coorg, the marketplace especially, on our own. So here we are trying to locate a restaurant which is very famous for serving the local dishes. So we'll go and we'll check that restaurant out. We are using Google Map, so hopefully we find the right restaurant. So we just finished shopping. We bought quite a lot of stuff. They had very interesting collection of chocolates to some collection of different wines. So we bought one bottle of wine and then few chocolates. And yeah, I mean, now we are heading towards the restaurant. Let's see, hopefully we find it soon. So guys, we just found the restaurant. It's right front of me. So I've heard good reviews about this restaurant online, and I've heard that they serve good local cuisine. So we'll go and we'll check it out. So we have placed for our order. We went for something very local. So what was recommended was the pork curry with bamboo shoot. So yeah, I mean, something very interesting about bamboo shoot is we also use it in Arunachal cuisine, and seeing people consume bamboo shoot here was interesting. So we have ordered for our food now. We have also gone for some rice balls, which is very local to this place. So we're going to see how the food is once it's served. So we are just done with our lunch. Now we are heading back to our hotel because we have to go for another trekking. Well, it's not exactly a trekking. It's so it's basically a safari. So we will be leaving for the safari at 2 o'clock. So we are supposed to head back to hotel and reach hotel before 2. So yeah. And talking about the food was really good. But yeah, I have to say that I underestimated the quantity because the food was looking very less, but to be honest, it was quite filling, especially the rice balls. They were very filling. And talking about the pork dish, I mean, it was a little different. It was different to what we are used to. But then, however, it was nonetheless very tasty. So now we are heading back to the hotel, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so we have started with our jeep safari. We are on our way to Mandalpatti. So भैया हम लोग को क्या क्या मिलेगा वहाँ पे? वाटरफॉल,
एक वाटरफॉल, शूटिंग पॉइंट, व्यू।
अच्छा, व्यू पॉइंट मिलेगा। अच्छा, और यहाँ से 1 घंटा लगने वाला है।
नहीं, तो मंडलपट्टी के लिए 1 घंटा, फॉल्स के लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा।
और थोड़ा ज़्यादा।
पहले फॉल्स जाएंगे।
अच्छा, उसके बाद मंडलपट्टी। और मंडलपट्टी फॉरेस्ट है?
हाँ, फॉरेस्ट, रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट।
अच्छा।
कृष्णगिरी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी।
ओके। So guys, we reached the fall. The fall name is Kotte Falls, and here's the view. You can see the waterfall behind me. It is called Kotte Falls, and though the fall is not big, but anyways it's broad and then it's beautiful. We have clicked a lot of pictures in this place, and also the falls is surrounded by hills, so it's a beautiful view here. So guys, right now we are heading back. I think our next destination is one of the viewpoints. I think it shouldn't take us very long now. We will be heading back in a while, and we will resume our jeep safari. So guys, we have reached the Mandalpatti viewpoint. The place where everyone is gathered is over there. But so right now basically we are walking towards that place, but you can see how beautiful the view is around me. Let me show you the view. So it's a huge open space. I mean, these are all beautiful hills, and I mean, coming till here is a little bit of a ride in the sense the entry fee for per person is 25 rupees per adult, and then that you do 2 kilometers ahead of this point. Once you reach the point, you get down of the car, you go to start walking up the hill. So then the walk is around 10 to 15 minutes, but then it's so worth it. It's a beautiful place, beautiful view. Let me show you the view from the viewpoint. So guys, we have reached the viewpoint. It's a beautiful, beautiful view. I don't think so I've got words to express this feeling, the emotions that I'm feeling right now. It's such a beautiful view. It's so beautiful. Just enjoy the view, guys. We just figured out there's another place where we can actually go and enjoy the view, and there seems to be lesser people there, so we'll just go there. You can see the staircase, how beautiful it is. I mean, it is colored in white. So guys, this staircase is colored in white, and it's pretty interesting because there's nothing else. It's just a white staircase. So the looks is something like, you know, it looks as if you're walking towards infinity. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty interesting. I'm going to show you a better view. I mean, once I'm down there, I'll show you how the staircase looks. So guys, we are heading back now. I kind of feel sad for leaving such a beautiful place. I mean, it was so quiet and nice. You can actually feel, I mean, it's very breezy and you could feel the breeze on your face. Wow, I mean, beautiful view. I did not know that a place like this, you know, like Karnataka had a place like this. It's taken me so many years to finally come down to this place. So yeah, I mean, if you happen to be in Bangalore, please do make sure that you visit this place. So guys, that was it for today. We are heading back to our hotel. I think it's going to be an hour long ride, but it's already kind of become dark, so I don't think so now shooting would make sense. You know, the visibility, the night mode visibility is not that great on my camera, so I'll be closing off this vlog here. See you guys again tomorrow. We are actually heading back to Bangalore, but then we will be visiting few of the sites tomorrow as well. So I'll see you tomorrow again, and thank you so much for watching the vlog. Bye bye.